Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the header from a specific page on your WordPress website, quickly, easily, and without affecting the rest of your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to customize any single page, making it cleaner and more focused for your visitors. Whether you're creating a special landing page or just want a distraction-free layout somewhere, this guide is for you, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Pages section. Find the specific page you want to edit and click on the Edit button. Don't worry if your layout looks a little different depending on your theme or plugin. It's all still doable, and I'll walk you through what to look for. Once your page is open in the editor, take a close look at the top section of the page, right where your header appears. Go ahead and click on the header area. Sometimes, if you're using the WordPress block editor, also called Gutenberg, the header will be surrounded by a light blue or gray outline when it's selected. This blue border helps you know exactly what block or section you're working with, so make sure you have the right one. Now, with the header selected, you'll notice a small toolbar pop up, usually either right above the header or at the top of the window. Among the options, look for the icon that looks like three little dots lined up vertically, often called the More Options menu. If you can't spot it right away, take a deep breath. It sometimes helps to hover your mouse over each icon until you find the one labeled More Options or just Options. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. Inside this menu, you should see an option to delete or remove block. Go ahead and click Delete. If you accidentally remove the wrong section, don't panic. WordPress has a handy undo button, just like in your favorite text editor. You can always bring the header back if you need to, but once you've hit delete, you'll see the header section disappear from the page you're editing. It might look a little startling at first, but this means you're on the right track. Now, before you move on, it's super important to remember to save your changes. Look for the Update or Publish button in the top right corner of your screen. Sometimes WordPress will prompt you with a message asking if you want to save your changes. Always double-check that you're working on the correct page, especially if you have multiple tabs open, just to be safe. Once you've clicked Save, go ahead and preview your page. You should now see that the header is completely gone, but only on this specific page. The rest of your site will stay exactly the same, so you won't accidentally remove navigation from your entire website, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've given your page a cleaner, more streamlined look, perfect for things like product launches, portfolios, or other content where you want your message to stand out. Remember, if you have any trouble or something doesn't look quite right, double-check which block or section you've selected, and use the Undo button if you want to try again. Every theme is a little different, but the steps are usually consistent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials and tricks to make your website look exactly how you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.